solutions. Add-on desires.
Good morning students, welcome to Adult Solutions. My name is Vasavi, I am a political science lecturer. I want to discuss with you today Civics second year unit 8 contemporary issues in politics. What are the contemporary issues in India from politics? So let me discuss. From this unit, long answer type question and short answer type questions and very short answer type questions we can discuss. In this, no long answers. So short answer type question, it comprises 5 marks. What is the question? Question is define corruption and forms of corruptions. Its forms. Forms of corruption. Define corruption and forms. Corruption, World Bank defined corruption as public office using for private profit. World Bank defined corruption as public office using for private profit. World Bank defined public office using public office for private profit. Nothing but corrupting public office powers are misused by corrupted officers. This is exact definition given by World Bank. And what are the forms? Forms of corruption are, first one is bribery, nepotism, extortion, favorism, under influence, all these comes under exactly forms. Corruption, in which way have the officer corrupted? Favorism, favor to any administrator, favor to any political leader, favor to any personal matter, any personal affair. All these comes under the forms of corruption, meaning bribery, taking the money in any shape, either the property or in currency or in jewelry, whatever it is. Corruption, favorism, nepotism, extortion and under influence. All these comes under forms of corruption. And what are the factors leading to the corrupting administration? Factors are, the first important one, misuse of power. Second one, salary which has been given is not sufficient to the administrator. Adequate, salary is adequate. The third one is, whenever the officer has been corrupted, he will be taken into custody, but the exact punishment imposed on the person is not adequate, is not sufficient. And fourth one, leisure and no moral values. These all are the factors which make the administrator to go on misusing the power, corrupting their power. So all those, misuse of power, salary which is given by the government is not sufficient. Third one, adequate salaries, and the punishment which is imposed on the particular corrupted officer is not sufficient, is not lengthy, prolonged. So these all are the factors leading to the administrator for going in corrupting way. So from this unit, Next important very short answers comprises 2 marks. They are very short answer type questions. First one is the forms of corruption. Second one is the whistleblowers. First one, forms of corruption. World Bank defined corruption as public office using for private profit, and forms are favorism, nepotism, under influence, bribery and extortion. So all these 5 comes under forms of corruption: bribery, extortion, under influence, favorism, nepotism. All these make the administrator to go on to lead for the misuse of power or the public office using for the private profit. Next one is the whistleblowers. Whistleblowers are the whistleblowers make the people, alert the people to go against corruption, meaning Anti-Corruption Bureau. ACB. These people alert the people to know about the corruption and make them to know against corruption, and people will be knowing to hand over the corrupted official to the Anti-Corruption Bureau, ACB, by on the spot, red-handed. So that is known as whistleblower, meaning making the people, alerting the people against the corruption. That is known as whistleblowers. So from this unit, we have to learn very short answers and short answer type question. Define corruption, forms of corruption, and 2 marks are forms of corruption and whistleblowers. Students are requested to give the priority for this question because it is a very full topic, exact comes in annual examinations. So please students give the priority for these 3 questions. Thank you.
Add-on solutions. Add-on desires.